Hello, mathematicians. So, we are actually in our last part of speaking about factoring quadratic equations, and today we're going to be factoring completely. So, there are some things you should always do. You should always look for a GCF before trying any other factoring method. Look to see if it's a binomial. Does it have a difference of two perfect squares? Does it pass that? And if it's trinomial, can we use grouping? So we'll look at number 5, and then we'll also look at number 6. So looking at number 5, 9n to the second minus 36. Is there a GCF here? Yep. I can take out 9. So if I divide everything by 9, I would have 9 inside parentheses 9 n squared divided by 9 would be n squared minus 4. And I would continue to look at this and say, can I factor this anymore? Well, does this have a GCF? N squared minus 4, they don't have a GCF. But it is a binomial. And does it qualify for a difference of two squares? Well, I would need them both to be perfect squares, and 4 is a perfect square, and the operation between them is subtraction. So yeah, I could do perfect squares here. Difference of perfect squares. So I set up, one is adding and one is subtraction. I split n squared, so you have n and n, and the square root of 4 is 2. And I'm going to bring down our GCF from before. And there's our answer. We factored this completely. Okay, let's look at number 6. 8x squared plus 20x plus 8. Is there a GCF here? Yeah, the GCF would be 4. So I could divide 4 from everything. And then I would be left with 4. And then 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. And looking at this again, do I have a GCF? No. Is this a binomial? No. It is a trinomial, so then I could use Xbox. And remember, on top goes your A coefficient and C. So A times C would be 4. And then 5 would go on the bottom. And then two numbers, multiply to 4 but add to 5. Well, that's 1 and 4. And I'm going to plug that a bit in. I'm going to keep my GCF on the outside. Use a nice big bracket. And then I have 2x squared plus 1x plus 4x plus 2. And then I can make my parentheses by grouping. Again, I'm going to keep my 4 on the outside. And all the work is going to be done inside the bracket. Then I would find the GCF between 2x squared plus 1x. And that would be x. And left hand side would be 2x plus 1. And then here 4x plus 2 have in common 2, so plus 2. And I would have 2x plus 1. Notice they are the same, the parentheses, so I could combine what they're being multiplied with. So now I have 4 times x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. And those are the factors. Okay.